got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it alone. Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it alone. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me, gon' dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger, just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I am getting better. We know that we can get crazy when some things seem hazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I be tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me, gon' dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger, just to be together. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger, just to be together. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger, just to be together. I love better. Can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger, just to be together.
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then.
আমরা এখন ইয়াং থাং ভ্যালিতে রয়েছি। আমরা এখন 0 পয়েন্টে আছি, আর 0 পয়েন্টে এখন স্নোফল হচ্ছে। আমরা এবার উঠছি,
আমরা বরফে অনেক
এই বরফের উপর দিয়ে উঠছি। দেখা না